Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awa ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. My dear brothers and sisters, today we are celebrating the memorial of the Our Lady of Sorrows. Yesterday, my dear brothers and sisters, we celebrated the feast of the exaltation of the cross. We pondered upon the significance of suffering in our lives, the significance of the cross in our Christian life. And today, it is fitting that we look at the Blessed Mother under the title, the Our Lady of Sorrows, to deepen our response on the sacrifice of Jesus on the cross, at the same time, in our suffering. Nasubukan nyo na bang masaktan? Nasubukan nyo na bang ma-broken hearted? Kung oo ang sagutin nyo, huwag kayong mapanghinaan ng loob. Ang ibig sabihin lamang yan, nagmamahal kayo. My dear brothers and sisters, when the person we love suffers, we suffer along with them. The more we love the persons, the more we suffer when they suffer. Kaya nga po, kapag po nagmamahal tayo, dapat handa rin tayong masaktan. When we give our heart to someone, we must always be ready to experience brokenness. Why? Because there is no love without suffering. Kaya kapag tayo'y nagmahal, dapat handa rin tayong masaktan. At ganito po yung pagninilay natin sa ating mahal na Birheng Maria, kung paano niya ipinakita yung pagmamahal niya sa kanyang anak. Can you imagine yung pighati ng isang magulang na pinagmamasdan niya ang kanyang kamahal-mahal na anak na naghihirap at wala siyang magawa. But she could only suffer with her son, to be with her in the suffering of his son. And so, this is a good inspiration for us. The Our Lady of Sorrows gives us this beautiful inspiration when we are brokenhearted, when we are suffering. She reminds us that when we love, we suffer, and through that suffering, we become stronger, and our love is deepened when we suffer with the person we love. Kaya po sana ipagpatuloy lang natin na lumaban at samahan yung mga minamahal natin sa buhay, sapagkat magiging magaan ang pighati, ang suffering, when we come together, when there is that sense of we belong to each other, and so we suffer for each other, and we suffer together. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-like, i-share at mag-subscribe sa Salitawa Facebook page and YouTube channel. Muli isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.